always sell me short, always feel the same in my face, in my soul. Always wear me thin, always under control. But the longest hours you'll live in your life are the ones you sit through to know if you're right. So I'll wait, but I'll pray that I'm wrong, because I think I know what's going on. The only will is my own. I do whatever I want to stay alone. All my decisions make it untouchable and tainted. I'm gonna suffer for the rest of my life, but I will always find a way to survive. I'm not a feeling, but I know what it's like. I can take it or leave it.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard
and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you reel and you speak, when people are feeling your shit. This is your moment, and every single minute you spend, try to hold on to it, cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much shit as you can, and when your run is over, just admit when it's in its end. Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list, here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie, Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Thimmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not put on this list, the shit does not offend me. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's bothering me, even though half you people got a fucking problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. The press is wet dream with Bob and your Whitney. Naked.
My life is undone, and I'm a sinner, I'm no fun. I taste the sun of my guts, I run through. I'm probably wrong, but I'm better than you. And the longest hours I've had of my life were the ones I went through to know I was right. So I'm safe, but I'm a little outside. I'm gonna laugh when I'm buried alive. You don't always know where you stand, till you know that you won't run away. There's something inside me that feels like breathing in sulfur.
Bottom to top I stop,
At the core I forgot,
in the middle of my thoughts.
taking far from my safety.
The picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I
From
care?
the top to the bottom,
Bottom to top I stop,
at the core I forgot,
in the middle of my thoughts.
taking far from my safety.
The picture's there,
The memory won't escape me.
but why should I
So I
care?
collapse, I'm spilling these facts. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause what I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in wax, spinning them. Heart venom, adrenaline shots. The penicillin could not get the ill to stop. I'm oxycillin, it's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing, hip-hop filling a minimal swap to cop millions of pop listeners. You coming with me, feel it or not, you're gonna feel it like I showed you the spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyric the shock. Is it a miracle or am I just pop the pop isn't up? The sizzle, my whistle, this is the plot, listen up. This is for God's listen, does not give a from the top to the bottom.
Bottom to top I stop,
At the core I forgot,
in the middle of my thoughts.
taking far from my